continue with our series on area and perimeter. We are on lesson 3 of 6. So if you are here for the first time today, you have already missed 2 lessons. So if you would like to catch up, we're going to do a very quick recap, but we're going to be looking at the perimeter of rectilinear shapes. Awesome, Olanda, I love that. So I'm sure you know exactly what we're going to be doing today. All right, we're going to be looking at rectilinear shapes, right? Remember, when we are adding all of these, we need to consider this a rectangle. Okay, so we need to look at this like, and if we look at 4 centimeters already having been taken out over here, and my rectangle actually has a length of 7 centimeters, tell me guys in the chat, how long will this section of my rectilinear shape be? Answers in the chat, guys. Thank you, Olonda. Excellent. Thank you, Keisha and Lwandile. Good. It's 3 centimeters because my entire rectangle would have been 7 centimeters. They've already taken a chunk of 4 centimeters out. That means this side over here will be 3 centimeters. And now we have to look at this side over here. If this whole side over here is 5 centimeters, and they've already taken out, or they've left us a 3 centimeter chunk, how much is left? Which is going to be this part over here. How big is this section over here? 2 centimeters. Excellent. 2 centimeters. Okay, well done. So this part over here, 2 centimeters. They kind of did. Yes, Samkelo, they did kind of give you the answer right there. They did. But if you didn't know, you wouldn't have known it was the answer. Okay, all right. So when I calculate for my perimeter, I know that it's almost like I'm trying to wrap a ribbon around my shape. So let's say, for instance, I decide to start there, and then I'm going to have to get 5 centimeters of ribbon plus 7 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. And that's going to tell me how much ribbon I need to circle the shape all the way around, or to go all the way around my shape. So if I have to ask you guys, how much is my perimeter? P is equal to, and I'm going to write the equation. Yes, I'm going to write the equation for you. You guys need to pop the answer in the chat for me, please. P is equal to 5 centimeter plus 6 centimeters. Thank you, Samkelo. My brain just, the formula, yes. Plus 3 centimeters. Pop the answer in the chat for me, guys. Plus 4 centimeters, plus 2 centimeters, plus 3 centimeters. And don't forget, when we start, we always go, therefore, P is equal to. Tell me what it's equal to in the chat, guys. I'm waiting. I have a feeling it's not 14 centimeters. I don't think so. Excellent. I'm seeing Masichava and Silas answer. There we go. Thank you, Nokwezi. Let's not forget the therefore, people. Well done. I have a feeling Elizabeth is Josh. Is it Elizabeth or is it Josh? Because I know I have a Josh in my class. I don't know if I have an Elizabeth. Ah, there we go. I thought as much. Hi, Josh. All right, guys, remember capital letter P, not small letter p. Okay. Not small letter p, capital letter P. Therefore, P is equal to 24 centimeters. Okay, there we go. All right, so we're going to use the same concept that we just looked at over here. And I want you guys to do B and C for me. Okay, the exact same way I've done it down here. And when you guys are done, I would like you guys to put the fire emoji. Just one fire emoji in the chat for me. While you guys are busy, I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes. Yeah, I'll give you 2 minutes. I'm going to go get some water because I feel like I'm choking. I'll be right back. Okay. Just mute myself. Sure, Google it to you very fast. Everyone else is still kind of waiting still calculating. We'll give them 1 more minute. Oh, there goes Sam and Nokwezi. Excellent, guys. Let's give everyone else a chance to catch up. No worries. I'm seeing your name. You're saying, hello, ma'am. Sorry, I'm late. Your name is NLE Chopper, and I have no idea who that is. It Puluko? Puluko always comes in with funky names.
This is true.
True. Thanks, Landile.
Oh, the suspense.
See?
There we go. Yep.
Guys, I know you guys really well. All right. Okay, I think that's enough time. That's 3 minutes. All right, I need a volunteer. Who wants to tell me how I'm going to calculate 4b? Anybody? Hands up. Let's see if you want, if you can. Anyone? I don't think any of them are difficult anymore. You guys are really good at these. Any volunteers? Did you get this? Is shocking.
What's going on? Is everyone still in holiday mode?
I feel like everybody's brains are still switched off. Oh no, okay. I'm going to do B quickly, but I do need a volunteer for C. Okay, so if I had to draw my entire rectangle up this way, there we go. I know that over here, I've got 2 centimeters. They've given me 2 centimeters, and over here, if I move it down over here, it's 5 centimeters. So this entire side of my rectangle is going to be 7 centimeters. So I know that from there to there, this is going to be 7 centimeters. Okay, then I know that this entire side of my rectangle is 9 centimeters, and they've given me 6 centimeters down here, which means this section over here is going to be 3 centimeters. Okay, if I don't have a volunteer, I should at least have people in the chat going, therefore P is equal to. So calculate for me, guys, and tell me what is P going to be equal to. Tell me in the chat. Emerson, remember how we write it down. Thank you, Olonda. P is equal to 2 centimeters plus 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters, plus 3 centimeters, plus 7 centimeters, plus 9 centimeters. Therefore, P is equal to, don't worry, Olanda, just write it again. Therefore, P is equal to 8, 13, 16, 23, 32 centimeters. Well done, guys. 32 centimeters. Okay, let's look at the last one. There we go. Awesome stuff. No worries, Khomotso, welcome. This one is kind of funky because it's really tiny. Okay, but let's look. If I go, there's my rectangle there. My very skew rectangle. Very, very skew, but it's okay. You guys understand it's a rectangle. All right, so they've given me 1 centimeter over here. And all the way on the inside here, they've given me 2 centimeters, which means this last side over here will be 3 centimeters because that makes up my whole rectangle. Okay, and if this whole side here is 9 centimeters and they've given me 8 centimeters in here, that means this tiny little bit over here will be 1 centimeter. Now, if I add them all up together, put your therefore P is equal to in the chat for me. P is equal to 1 centimeter plus 8 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 1 centimeter plus 3 centimeters plus 9 centimeters. Teacher Cat, I'm so proud of myself. I don't miss the 1 centimeters
I
anymore.
know.
I'm
You
doing
start with it. You're just like, get it out.
I was just like, I cannot forget my 1 centimeter. I left it out last time. I'm not gonna let it happen again. Therefore, P is equal to 24 centimeters. Excellent. All right. I'm loving it, guys. You guys are doing a great job. Okay. All right. I need a thumbs up, thumbs down. How are we feeling about calculating the perimeter of rectilinear shapes? Silas says thumbs up. Emerson 2 and Mulebo. Hello, Mulebo. And Keisha and Olonda and Maria. I was testing you, Nokwezi. I absolutely was testing you. I was also testing myself, so because I also forgot. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, guys. If you are still a little bit confused and you're like, ma'am, I still don't understand what's going on, please DM Teacher Cat so that she can help you, because she knows the stuff just as well as I do. Okay, don't shy away from asking Teacher Cat any questions. Or if you think it's a question that everybody would benefit from, put it in the chat, in the everyone chat, and we can answer it together. Okay. All right, so now we're going to start using formulas, because I told you guys algebra is a big part of maths, especially when you go up the grades, and you guys are in grade 7 now, so you guys need to algebra up your lives. Okay, so we're going to be learning about the formulae for a rectangle and the formulae for a square. Okay, we're going to start with the rectangle. This is the formula for a rectangle. Awesome, Olanda already knows this. Excellent. This is the formula for a rectangle. My spelling, my lord. Formula for a rectangle. Okay. Good. Silas already caught on. It's length and breadth. Now, if I said to you guys that this side over here, my length over here is 6 centimeters long, and my breadth is 3 centimeters long, who can tell me what is my perimeter? Let's use the formula that we were just using now. Perimeter is equal to, can I get a volunteer? Samkelo, I see you. Do you want to raise your hand for me so we can get you to answer a question first, or do you not know? Oh, there we go. There's Samkelo. Hi, Samkelo.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Fine. The answer is 6 plus 6 centimeters. Then 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters equals 18 centimeters.
Good, 3 centimeters. Therefore, P is equal to 18. Well done. Well done. Okay, but I want you to note something, Samkelo, before you go. Do you see how I know that if this side is 6 centimeters, this means that side is also 6 centimeters, right? And if this side is 3 centimeters, this side is also 3 centimeters. How many 6 centimeter sides do I have?
2.
How many?
2.
2, yeah. This side and this side, that's 2 of them, right?
Yes.
And how many 3 centimeter sides do I have?
2.
2. I have there's a 3 centimeter side and there's a 3 centimeter side. So there are 2 of them on each side, right? So instead of us using this formula where we keep going this side plus that side again and again and again, we're going to take the length and we're going to multiply it by 2. So we're going to go P is equal to 2 times, which is my longest side? Which side is my longest side?
6 centimeters.
Good. This is my length because it's my longest length. And this side will be my breadth because it's the shortest. Okay. So I'm going to go 2 times, what is my length, Samkelo?
6 centimeters.
Good, it's 6. Plus 2 times, what is my breadth?
3 centimeters.
Good, it's 3 centimeters. And then I'm going to ask you, what's 2 times 6?
12.
12, good. Plus 2 times 3,
6.
6. Good. Therefore, P is going to equal
P
12 plus 6.
equals 18 centimeters.
Excellent. 18 centimeters. Do you see how we do that using the formula? Excellent. Well done. Well done. You did that beautifully. Excellent. All right. That's how we're going to be doing this, guys. We're not just going to be looking at, oh, I know how to add them. I just add them all the way around the circle, all the way around the rectangle, not the circle, all the way around the rectangle. Okay. We are going to be looking at using the formula. And you're like, oh, but teacher Coco, it's a rectangle. I can just add them from side to side. I know, guys, I know. But when you get to the older grades, this stuff is going to get so much more complicated, and you're going to need the formula. You must know the formula. Yes, they did. They put technology in. Technology is maths. Oh, Samkelo, I love that. Excellent. Okay, so this stuff is easy. It's very easy. I'm going to need another volunteer because I'm going to change my numbers now. So if my length over here is 8 meters and my breadth is 2 meters. Guguletu, let's do this one. Masichaba, don't put your hand down. We're going to do another one. Okay. Hi, Guguletu.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. What am I going to write? I'm going to start and go P is equal to?
P is equals to 2 times 8 centimeters.
Good. Follow the formula.
Plus 2 times 2 centimeters.
Excellent. And then we go P is equal to?
16. Plus 4.
Good. And then my last line?
P is equals to 20.
You missed something, Google it. What did you miss? Samkelo gave you a hint.
Therefore, P is equals to 20 centimeters.
Excellent. Therefore, P is equal to 20 centimeters. Easy stuff. Well done, Google it. Amazing.
Coco,
Yes, ma'am.
is it meters or centimeters?
Oh, I'm sorry. See, Teacher Kat, this is why we need you here. This is why we need you here. It's meters. Guys, we've just been out here writing centimeters and nobody's telling us anything. Thank you. Thank you, Teacher Kat. It's actually meters. Thank you. All right. Guys, we need to focus. We need to focus. Okay. Thank you, Sally. Thank you, Sally. All right, let's do another one. Okay. And I know it's getting really easy for you guys because you're like, oh, ma'am, the stuff. Yeah. Okay, let's look at this side is 14 centimeters. And this side here is 2.5 centimeters. Masichaba, what do I need to write? Yes.
You have to write P is equals to 2 times 14 centimeter.
Excellent.
Then plus 2 times 2.5 centimeters.
Excellent. My next line.
P is equals to 28 plus.
Yes, this one should be an easy one. I should be able to do it in my head.
Times 5 centimeters.
Good, plus 5 centimeters. There we go. My last line.
Therefore, P is equals to 33 centimeters.
Excellent, 33 centimeters. You did that very beautifully. Well done, Masichaba. Amazing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excellent. All right. Can I get a thumbs up, thumbs down? Bali, do not put your hand down. Thumbs up, thumbs down. How are we feeling about calculating the perimeter of a rectangle? Excellent. Thank you, guys. I'm getting a lot of thumbs up in the chat, which is awesome because we're getting it. Absolutely. Okay. Excellent. Thanks, Josh. Thumbs uppy. Okay. Good, Samkelo. Just remember, we practice over and over. Draw yourself a rectangle. Draw yourself a rectangle and practice. Just write down P is equal to 2L plus 2B and practice again and again and again. And it becomes very easy. I'm so glad, Sam. A future in maths. Future in maths. I like it. Okay, all right. We're going to do the next one. We're going to be looking at the formula for a square. And it's the easiest thing on the planet, guys. We're just going to take the side and we're going to multiply it by 4. Okay. So if over here I've got 6 centimeters, all I'm going to do is go P is equal to 4 times 6 centimeters. Punch it in the chat, guys. Therefore, P is equal to I'll wait. Therefore, P is equal to what? Excellent, Samkelo. Remember, big letter P. Excellent, Sila. Well done, guys. That's it. P is equal to 24 centimeters. Excellent. Okay, I'm going to erase this. We don't actually need it. Okay. This is an easy one. Mbali, do the next one with me. Can you unmute for me, my sweetie? Hi, Mbali.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Okay, so if I tell you that one side of my square is 5 centimeters, what am I going to write here?
Ma'am, we're gonna write P equals to 4 times 5.
Good. What's my next line?
Oh, I lost it.
What do the 3 dots mean?
Therefore, P equals to 20 centimeters.
Excellent. There we go. I thought I lost you there for a second. No, but you. Awesome. Well done, Mbali. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, we're going to do a quick fire round in the chat because this is really easy and I know you guys can do this. Okay. If I tell you guys that my one side is 7 centimeters, give me therefore P is equal to something in the chat. Go for it. Excellent. Therefore, well done, Sila and Samkelo. P is equal to. Good. Ooh, Keisha, be careful. I think you may have been typing too fast because yours says 27 centimeters. Olanda, what happened? What happened? I'm seeing therefore P is equal to 4. Not sure about that one. P is equal to 28 centimeters. All good. It's all good. Yeah, you can slow down a little. It's okay. Yo, Samkelo, way too many 8s there. Way too many. That's a huge number. All right, one more. Easy one. And if my side is equal to, let me see, 3.5 meters. Go for it. P is equal to 4 times 3.5 meters. Better not forget this time. Oh, Samkelo, I thought I'd catch you out, yet here you are. Too easy. Yeah, way too easy. Therefore, P is equal to 14 Not centimeters. Aha. This time I did catch you guys out. Aha. There we go. Therefore, P is equal to 14 meters. And I didn't fall for my own mistake. Yay. Also, all right. Oh, Landila, you testing me? No. Okay, I see you. I see you. Just in case. No. It's okay. All right. I don't think it's necessary for me to ask thumbs up, thumbs down, because I know you guys know this and you're really, really good at it. Okay. So I'm going to go straight into our brain break because we need to do something else after that. We need to learn a brand new concept. Okay, something completely different. Teacher Cat, do you want to run the poll for me, please? Okay. There we go. I want to know, guys, would you rather be a wizard or a superhero? And I chose one that I knew would be difficult for people today. And my big question is, how is superhero winning right now? That makes no sense to me.
Right? Like, yeah.
I'm befuddled. I am, yeah, okay, all right. Okay, we're gonna end poll and I'm gonna share the results with you guys so you guys can see what everyone has said. Okay, these are the results. 8 out of 23 of you said wizard, and 15 out of 23 of you said superhero. So, okay. No, Crazy, which one did you pick? Oh, okay, I'm gonna stop sharing. No, Crazy, which one did you pick?
Because I picked superheroes.
Okay, make it make sense to me. Why superhero?
Because superheroes, they save people, and wizards are meh.
What do you have against wizards? Oh my goodness, I can't believe you're discriminating against wizards right now. Okay, all right. So you like superheroes because they save people.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. Lwandile, what did you pick?
Wizard.
Oh, okay. Tell me, why did you pick wizard?
Because if you're a wizard, you have magic. So you see, like, a superhero has too many responsibilities. Like, hey, you have to save people drowning, a cat on a tree. Like, a wizard, you can just do magic.
Oh, I love that. So you want to be a wizard because you don't want to have to rescue people. Is that what you think?
Was my reason.
Lwandile,
Genius.
you and Teacher Cat are so lazy. I cannot believe you guys.
Like, now I must be responsible for everything. Nope. I'll take wizard any day.
Oh, wow, guys. I can't believe this. What did Ben Parker said? He said, no, yes. Spider-Man's uncle, he said, Uncle Ben, he said, with great power comes great responsibility. So if you're a superhero, obviously you have to be responsible for the people. And I'm seeing people like they want super speed and stuff like that. Google it too. What did you choose?
Ma'am, I choose
Which one did you choose?
to be a wizard.
Oh, explain to me, why do you want to be a wizard?
Then because I have more powers than a superhero and I can do anything I want. Like I don't even have to clean the house or wash the dishes. I just like magic and then it's done. Then I'll be sitting down and doing whatever I want.
Okay, I agree with you. Some of the reasons why, not the I want to avoid dishes part because your mom's gonna make you do dishes anyway, but I like the other ones. I like the other reasons. Well done. Okay. Teacher Cat, you also be a wizard just because you don't want to help people? Is that your whole reason?
Most definitely.
Oh no. Oh,
Imagine me chilling with my Watobians and I don't know, a car crashes or something. Now I have to be no.
No? Okay, all right. I want to be a wizard because if I'm a wizard, I can pretend to be a superhero and still save people anyway, because nobody will know that I'm actually a wizard. They'll just
Oh, geez.
think that
Why
I'm a
would
random
you
superhero.
want to do that? Also, most superheroes have limited power. So, like, I can't
Exactly,
think
and
of anyone who has all of them. Yeah.
yes, and wizards, the more like magic you know, the more powers you have. See?
Exactly.
Yeah, that was also my reasoning behind it. Randile is like dishwashers. That's the whole reason he wants to be a wizard. There's dishwashers. No. All right, guys. Okay. Let's get back into it. All right, let's shake it off, guys. Keisha's changed her mind. You already voted, Keisha. You cannot change your mind. Yeah, Sam, but you know. Okay, guys. All right, let's focus. All right, so we are going to be looking at area today. All right, so when we talk about area, who can tell me what is area specifically? Now, remember, guys, when we were talking about perimeter, I said, if I'm standing over here, right? And let's say, for instance, this is my yard at home, and this side of the yard is 10 meters, and this side over here is 22 meters. If I want to buy a ribbon, a long ribbon that's going to go all the way around my yard, I'm going to start here and go around and around and around, and that'll give me the perimeter. Okay, but if I want to calculate for the area, what am I actually calculating for? Not exactly the space around the shape. Orlando, you've got the right idea. It is length times breadth, and I'm not going to give it to you because it's on the screen. So I feel like you're reading what's on my screen, and that's not fair. Okay, the space inside, good. It's the inside of the shape. But when we say length times breadth, guys, how do we get there? How do we get from, the inside of the shape, and then we just say length times breadth? How do we actually get there? Let me make these numbers smaller. Otherwise, I'm going to regret it in 2 minutes. I'm going to regret it. 3 meters and 6 meters. Okay. Can anybody explain to me, why do we multiply the one with the other? Does anyone know why? Okay, we calculate the sides, so we know how big the sides are. Okay, let me ask this rather. How many of you guys know, what do we measure area in? So if this is meters, what would my answer be in? So my answer would be, therefore, area is equal to something meters. Is it just meters? Oh, no, it's not kilometers. In this case, it's going to be meters, but it's going to be meters squared. There we go. Master Chava's got the right idea. It's square meters. That's why we put that 2 at the top. The 2 means that we're squaring. Okay, well done, Sam. Good. It's squares. Okay, square meters, square centimeters, square kilometers. And the reason we can look at them as square units, I know you were, Sila, you were about to say that, I know. Okay, we can look at it as square units because we can actually calculate the inside of this shape using squares. Okay, so now I know that this side is 3 meters, and I want to calculate the inside of my shape, but I don't know, I don't have a measuring tool that's just going to be able to tell me what the area on the inside is. So what I can do is I can break 3 meters up into 1 meter squares. Okay, let's say, for instance, I can measure my foot, and every time I take a step, that's 1 meter. So I'm going to split this up into 1 meter. So that's 1 meter over there, and then another meter, 1 meter, and then this last part over here is also 1 meter. Right, so now I'm going to go in. Okay, I'm going to calculate 1 meter all the way across. And then I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to calculate 1 meter and 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, and I'm going to run out of space because I clearly didn't space that correctly. Let's try that again. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. We're going to pretend that Teacher Coco's squares are actually squares, guys. They're supposed to be actual squares. Okay. They're supposed to be actual squares. So now I'm going to measure 1 meter there, 1 meter there, 1 meter there. So this is actually 1 meter by 1 meter. And I can do this across, let me try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Down and down and down and down. Now we're going to look at this as in every single one of these squares is 1 meter by 1 meter. I want you guys to count for me. How many squares do I have? Do a quick count and tell me how many squares do I have, guys? Good. Olanda says we have 18. I want to see if you guys agree with him. Master Chaba also says 18. Good. Okay, I'm going to count because I haven't actually counted my own squares. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Good. We actually do have 18 squares. Now we have, what we actually have here is 18 squares that are 1 meter by 1 meter. Now, if I go, that's not supposed to be a dot. That should be a multiplication as well. So 18 times 1 meter by 1 meter. What's 1 times 1, guys? It's going to be 1, right? Times 18 is going to give me 18, but I have meter times meter, which will give me meters squared. So the answer to 6 meters times 3 meters is going to be 18 meters squared. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do you guys understand why we multiply the top by the side, or the length times the breadth? Are we okay with this concept? Excellent. Amazing stuff, guys. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. I was hoping for a lot more thumbs up. I feel like people are still a little bit confused, but okay. Excellent, excellent. Okay. I think I'm going to have to erase my rectangle because when I touch it, it's going to go away. Okay. Oh, no, I actually succeeded. Well done, me. Okay, there we go. All right. Excellent. So if I told you guys that this side was 7 meters and this side over here was 4 meters, what I'm going to write when I calculate my rectangle is I'm going to go area is equal to the length, which is 7 meters, times the breadth, which is 4 meters. Therefore, my area is going to equal to 28. Then that's 7 times 4, and then meter times meter will give me meters squared to the power of 2 meters squared. Okay, pop an answer in the chat for me. Remember, all I need from you guys is the therefore, okay, something, something, something. Well done, Sam. Excellent. Okay, now if this side over here is 9 centimeters and this side over here is 6 centimeters, tell me what is my area going to be? So I'm going to go area is equal to 9 centimeters times 6 centimeters. And then therefore, finish that sentence for me, guys. Or finish that sum for me, please, in the chat. Let's go. I don't know how we got 34. Olanda, maybe calculate again. There we go. Sila, we're forgetting something very important, guys. Units. Good. Thank you, Teacher Kat. We're forgetting units. And that's the important part, because that tells us the difference between perimeter and area. There we go. Thank you, Master Chaba. But the answer is not correct. I like the square meters part, but the answer is not, it's not 15, my student. It's not 15, my sweetie. Samkelo, you're forgetting something. Therefore, A is going to equal to, good, Sam. There we go. 54, Nokwezi, centimeters squared. Well done, Keisha. Good. 54, Nokwezi, not just centimeters, centimeters squared. Guys, the squared over here is very, very, very important. There must be a squared there. Because if there's no squared there, what you guys are actually telling me is that you've calculated the perimeter. We don't use P. Samkelo, P is for the perimeter. What we are calculating is the area. So the area is always squared. Remember, Samkelo, the perimeter is when I calculate what's around my shape. Okay, around my shape. But when I calculate for area, what I want to know is how much is inside. How much space is inside my shape? Okay, that's the difference. Okay, area is equal to centimeters squared. So we use a capital letter A. Okay, one more because we've got to go. Okay. And just remove that. Okay, if my length is 11 centimeters, be very careful, guys, 11 centimeters, and my breadth is 5 centimeters. What is my area? Area is equal to 11 centimeters times 5 centimeters. Therefore, area is equal to Sila, you forgot something. There we go. Thank you, Keisha. That's okay, Sila. Just write the word squared out. Okay. Write it out at the end. Okay. Excellent. Therefore, A is equal to 55 centimeters squared. Excellent.